All right. Well, today we're talking about affirmations. So Carla, do you want to tell us a little bit about what affirmations are and what they mean to you?
So affirmations, in my practice, where I have a lot of people that I've talked to throughout the years, and basically affirmations, in the beginning seemed to just be some words that you would keep on telling yourself and repeating like mantras in the morning to kind of start your day. And people started to put them on post-its and then have them all around their house, especially like on their mirrors in their bathroom or somewhere. And then as years went by, people started realizing that affirmations are more than that. They're more than looking yourself in the mirror saying, you're amazing, you can do this, you're strong, you're powerful, and all of that. Because in the beginning, when it all started, there was a trend like in a lot of TV shows and films and everywhere where it was kind of even mocked, basically. So I believe that affirmations today can be a lot of different things. They can be verbal and they can be nonverbal as well. You can give yourself and create an active affirmation that doesn't have to include words at all. It can just be something that you do on a daily basis that basically affirms that you're ready to tackle the day or something like that. So I think that they can be a great vessel to kind of bring positivity and tackle stress in your life. But I also think that people need to step away from the looking yourself in the mirror and saying, you're amazing, you got this, because that's how it all started. And if you mention affirmations to a lot of people, that's what they're going to think. So I wanted to kind of break that little bubble.
One of the things I heard, like sometimes we lack motivation.
Yeah.
And affirmation has that component of motivation in it to reaffirm, reassure, and feel that you're motivated. Because sometimes that's the starting point.